Hey everyone, welcome back. Not getting credit one bank notifications for payment due dates, transaction alerts, or fraud warnings? Here's exactly where to turn them back on. First, go to your phone settings and scroll down to the list of apps to find the Credit One Bank app or just directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and then tap notifications. Make sure allow notifications is toggled on. If it's gray, tap on it to turn it green. Check the alerts tab below and make sure that it is set to banners or alerts, not none. Since none means nothing will appear on your screen even though notifications are technically allowed. Turn on sounds and badges as well and make sure time sensitive notifications is enabled. Now go back and scroll down to the top of your settings or go to search again and search for focus. Once you find it, tap on it and then go through each and every focus mode you use. Sleep, do not disturb, personal, and make sure that Credit One Bank isn't in the silence app list under each one. So, all you've got to do is go to settings, Credit One Bank, allow notifications on, time sensitive enabled, focus mode checked, Credit One Bank alerts come through, and that's it. Subscribe.